How to log in to Canva account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Canva account. In order to log into your Canva account, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open your Canva application on your mobile device, and here if you are logged in previously, you'll be able to see this interface. Here you just simply need to tap on this continue button, and then a verification code will be sent to your email address associated to your account. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive it, enter it in this field. After entering the code, it will start the processing automatically, and you will need to wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see you have successfully been logged into your Canva account now. Now you can start exploring the designs and templates on your Canva. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Canva account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.